What if I told you this camera can make your photos look like they came from a professional camera, but there's one catch almost nobody talks about? Meet the Canon EOS R100, Canon's beginner-friendly mirrorless camera. It packs a 24.1 megapixel APS-C sensor that's much bigger than the one inside your smartphone, giving you sharper photos, better background blur, and cleaner low-light shots. It features dual Pixel CMOS autofocus with face and eye detection, helping keep your subject in focus. You can shoot up to 6.5 frames per second, record videos in 4K, and instantly transfer photos to your phone using built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. The camera also supports Canon's RF and RSS lenses, so you can upgrade your photography without replacing your camera body. It's lightweight, compact, and designed for beginners who want better image quality than a phone. But here's the catch. It's made for photography first. If you're planning to vlog every day, the fixed screen and basic 4K video features may feel limiting. However, if your goal is capturing family memories, travel, portraits, or learning photography, this camera delivers excellent value. The Canon EOS R100 isn't trying to be the most powerful camera. It's the camera that helps beginners take their first step into real photography. Sometimes the best photos don't come from the most expensive gear. They come from finally picking up a camera and pressing the shutter. Would you buy it or save up for something bigger? Let me know below.